the ash, because you don't know if the embers will come in your land and stuff like that, you know, because it just takes one spark. It's like everybody, you know, I mean, everybody's, you know, they have land and animals, and they don't want to leave them, and it's like, you know, or don't know what to expect when we come back.
When you lose memories, when you lose homes, you know, that affects you for a very, very long time.
We're not going to put firefighters in danger. You know, my leader's intent to them is to make that appropriate decision of when it's time to disengage.